just so fun to drive here. Hi and welcome to Ascari Race Resort. My name is Joakim Rydholm and I'm Chief Test Engineer at Polestar. The BST 270 is a car which we produce in 270 samples. We have taken the Polestar DNA and lifted a little bit more. Here we have Pirelli P0, 21-inch, special made for this car to lift the performance to a new level. We have unique rims, 4-piston Brembo brakes, which give a fantastic brake performance. We have lowered the car 25 millimeter, and the spring stiffness we have increased 20%. That gives the car a little bit more sporty, a little bit more performance. Then we have Öhlins dampers. Together with Öhlins, we have done the tuning and create a new version of Road and Track with adjustable compression and rebound. So now we are done with the talk. Let's go to my office. Look here, we go in a curve, go up at the curbs, and here we have a nice chicane. We just go through it like that, all the way up in the banking. And we find another chicane here, and we need to take speed for that one as well. Over the curbs, and the damper absorb the curb, and the car handle is easy to drive. And this is the key for Polestar. You should have a smile when you're driving a car. So look here, when I'm straight here, I turn like this and direct the car reacts. The outer damper's compression go down. You feel how the discs supporting the tire. Look here now when we go through this chicane, how easy it is. I just push like this and chicane like that. It's just so fun to drive here. Some people say I have a dream job when they see me driving around with the track here. And I can just confirm, this is the dream job. Hey, one more thing, like and subscribe.